Bafethu ngibingelele, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to my platforms, guys. My Facebook page, it's Chef The Soul TV News as well. Please do go there and follow us. So Bafethu, thank you very much for supporting this channel so far. Iyakhula kakhulu ke, yeah, siyabonga kakhulu. So guys, we are talking about indaba ke yokuqasheka ke kwabantu ke, ngizothi ke abantu bokufika la eNingizimu Afrika, especially njengoba ke no Minister of Sports, Arts and Culture was talking about this kwenye yama meetings akade ke enawo noma ke kwenye yama committee akade ke ehlangene nawo lapha yana ke. If we talk about lezi zinto lezi, abantu abaningi baye babe nokusaba ngokukhuluma ngazo, abantu abaningi baye babe ke nokuthuka futhi ke if kukhulunywa ngazo. But then again, there is this thing eseyibe isihlava kakhulu. We've seen lento le kudiscusswa ngayo on various platforms. On Facebook we saw ukuthi ke even ngisho nama artists ayamasha ekhuluma ngenxa yokuthi ke nawo alwisana nayo lento le. What I'm talking about ilento ke yokuqasheka kwabantu bokufika, while abantu ke abala eNingizimu Afrika bawumtsinzi wokuzimilela ke the South African, pure South Africans. Ngokwe-identity abantu ke bala eNingizimu Afrika uthola ukuthi ke bona abaqasheki noma abaqashiwe, yabo, not because ke they don't have qualifications to be employed or to fill in those positions, but ke kungenxa yokuthi ke vele ke siyazi ke ukuthi ke kunobuqhoshoshi obenziwayo by those departments asuke ke enze leyo nto ke ubuqhoshoshi. So at the same time futhi ke kusuke kungekhona ukuthi ke kube ubuqhoshoshi, uthola ukuthi ke other foreigners are here in South Africa legally, but then the only thing eyenzakalayo ukuthi uhulumeni wethu ubaqasha ngenxa yokuthi ke ubaholela ke imali encane, and they do allow leyo nto leyo, yabo, even though isidingo ke singekho, because if you qualify for a certain position it means you qualify, and then that means also you can do a very good job, a proper job. That's why kwesinye isikhathi uthola ukuthi ke abantu bagcine ke benza umsebenzi ngendlela abayithandayo, because they are there just because ke bayingenele nje kalula, yabo. They know ukuthi ke kulula kanjalo nje ukuzenzela nanoma yini, yabo. We saw futhi lento le kukhalazana kakhulu ke ama institutions, especially ke enye ama institutions, I think play institution, but then again I'll remember and then get back to you guys. If you do remember the institution whereby there are so many Zimbabweans employed Giona, please do comment with Leo institution Leo khona la eNingizimu Africa. I think ila kade ke kuke kwakhona ke izinto ithinta ke strike, if I'm not mistaken. Please do comment with it, but then I think it's Walter Sisulu, if I'm not mistaken, university. But then the minister was talking about lento yokuqasha noma yokuqashwa kwabantu ke bofika, while bekhona ba-qualified bala eNingizimu Afrika, of which ke abanikezwa ithuba. If ubheka futhi ngokwama-qualifications abanawo, they do qualify and they have experience. But then again, if kunezinto enjengalezo ke kuthiweni ke kwenzakaleni, uminister ke unaye usezithathele iqhathu lokuthi alwisane nayo lento. Okay, la uthi ke members of Parliament Sports, Arts and Culture Portfolio Committee alleged the Robben Island Museum prioritizes foreigners for vacancies, urging Mackenzie to take action as well. This is one of the issues that he raised. Uthi ke lapha ke uma simcaphuna, when I became minister, the first thing I asked was how many foreigners are there in the department. I was told none. He said during the committee meeting, I'm drafting a letter to the acting director general, and I will CC Robben Island Museum. I assure the committee I will handle this matter personally and consider it dealt dealt with. So we cannot have a situation where foreigners are being given the jobs while our children do not have jobs in the Western Cape. Kusho yena ke lapha ke uMinister Mackenzie. In the letter, Mackenzie has requested all the entities provided or all the entities provide information about foreigners employed by them within 3 working days. So lana ke uthi ke include igama lomuntu osuke eqashiwe, the name, nationality and length of stay in South Africa, status and nature of work permit if they are not permanent residents, so a date of issue and also expiry, critical or scarce skills possessed that could not be found in the local workforce. Okay, expiry date of work contracts, person responsible for signing off on their appointment. The exercise will not be limited to the Robben Island Museum. There are also other entities that are related to such no to the department that is led by yenake Minister Mackenzie. So nezinye indawo I think nakhona ke uthi ke uzoba 5-2 yabo uzolisana naleyo nto ke 5-2. I think ke bafethu ke iyo yezinye izinto ke noma i-action le that we are vowing for, that we look forward ukuthi ke engathi ke ngempela ke even namanye ama departments engafunda isifundo kulokho, because iSouth Africa isenkingeni eyintweni ke eziningi ezizama ukulisana nazo, but then ke kubukeka ngathi ke nale yokuqasheka ke kwabantu bokufika iba i-challenge kakhulu, because South Africa has noma ke have lento an unemployment rate ethe ukuba ke lapha ke kwi% eliphezulu ngendlela isimanga, unyaka nonyaka iyakhula instead of futhi yehle. So it's a challenge ngempela. People noma students are graduating each and every year, and labo bantu labo sithi baqasheke kanjani, yabo sithi baqashwe kuphi uma ukuthi ngempela ke kujike futhi again kuqashwe ke labantu ke abokufika. How about ama positions emazweni abo? Do you think lawo ma positions afilo ubani wona yabo? Because they end up here bafika sometimes bafika bezofunda and they overstay, kugcine ke ukuthi ke bathola nobuzwe balana, bagcine futhi ke bengabantu ke abathola nemsebenzi la. All the services that South Africans should be getting, uthola ukuthi ke they are sharing those services nama foreigners, of which it's not a bad thing, but I think kwesinye isikhathi we should prioritize kubantu basekhaya then kubantu ke ekuzohamba abangenandaba nezwe, because at the same time ngempela we should know ukuthi ke okay abanandaba ngaleyo ndlela nezwe, bona they are here just for ama services nje kuphela. Anyways bafethu, to limit the exercise to only the entity will be incorrect, and the decision has therefore been made to include all entities for review. Kusho yana ke lapha Mr. Mackenzie. Anyways bafethu, thank you for watching this video. I hope ukwazile ke ukuthola logo nalogo obukade ukudinga, but then again you can also comment on the section down below if you have anything to say. Don't forget to like this video, do subscribe on the YouTube channel. Danko.